Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the scope and technical stack so you build the right thing. Identify one clear use case and measurable success metrics. This forces trade-offs. Next, choose a model approach, small transformer for speed, retrieval augmented for factuality, or a hybrid, because model choice shapes data and infra. Then provision minimal infrastructure, a GPU-enabled instance, storage, CI pipeline, and API patterns. Once done, prepare labeled examples and a simple evaluation harness to iterate quickly. Now you construct the data and model pipeline that delivers quality. Collect representative dialogues and negative examples, then clean, normalize, and tokenize. Make sure to remove sensitive data and balance classes. After preprocessing, set up training loops with checkpoints and validation, log loss, accuracy, and behavioral metrics. Use small ablations and a /b tests to compare hyperparameters. Make incremental deployments to staging so you can monitor latency, throughput, and failure modes. Once to finish, deploy progressively and instrument everything so you can react fast. Use canary releases and auto-scaling, enforce rate limits and authentication, and capture rich telemetry. Monitor for hallucinations, bias, and latency. Review user feedback and session logs to prioritize fixes. If things break, roll back the canary, isolate the change, and run regression tests. One key tip: if hallucinations spike, throttle the model and revert to a retrieval-augmented or scripted fallback while you retrain on corrected data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.